Ikaw pala ang cheat code ng maraming aspiring business owner kung gusto nila mag-start ng negosyo.
Bigay mo sa akin yung pera mo, bubuksan kita ng negosyo.
Kahit wala akong idea pero may puhunan ako,
Pwede itong mangyari.
Mark Citon is the CEO of Happy Thursday Business Solution. Under Mark C's leadership, the company helped numerous businesses.
From cafes to spas, enhance their brand presence and operational efficiency.
The company has set new industry standards, offering practical and sustainable solutions to clients in the food and beverage sector.
okay nga yan. Kung mag-i-start na lang ako, di bayad na lang ako sa'yo. 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, meeting lang ako, may negosyo na ako.
Yes, sir. Kami na po yung bahala sa lahat ng sakit ng ulo.
Common problem ng mga mag-uumpisang magnegosyo.
Unang-una, number 2, I'll be honest, wala po pang perfect formula na ganito gawin mo. Ito yung best practice.
Ilan na yung mga na-create ninyo?
We're already doing 200 plus na pala.
Napakaganda ng business model mo, no? CYOB or create your own brand. Paano mo inumpisahan yung ganitong klase ng business model?
I started as a business owner myself. Nagbukas ako ng cafe ko pagtapos kong mag-aral ng college. Nag-open ako ng sarili kong cafe. From the scratch, ginagawa ko lahat on my own. Pati yung anong logo namin, anong branding namin, our interior design, magiging menu nung aming shop, and then paano ba imo-market. It takes me like months and I've been talking to a lot of people. Minsan, nasisira ako sa mga kausap ko na supplier kasi di nila ma-meet yung gusto ko talaga sa shop ko, no? Nung nag-open ako, okay naman. I operate my own shop for 2 years. After nun, I feel parang may kailangan akong gawin na parang hindi enough na I'm just operating a shop. So that's when I decided, pwede ako mag-train ng mga gustong mag-open ng sarili nilang cafe or like my shop. Baka may mga business owner out there na gustong mag-open ng shop pero pagdadaanan nila yung pinagdaanan ko na proseso, which is so difficult for a business owner. Namumuhunan ka na, nag-iisip ka pa kung paano mauumpisa yung negosyo mo and it takes time. Sometimes through the process, you will give up. Hindi mo pa nabubuo yung negosyo mo. Ayaw mo nang magsimula.
Mostly ng business owner, yan ang struggle talaga nila eh. Starting a business. Lalo na in terms of construction, ako, masakit sa ulo yan. Pagbubuo ng physical store ng restaurant, coffee shop business, ng mga resort, mahirap yan eh. Kadalasan pa nangyayari, niloloko ng mga contractor. They don't know how to operate business at hindi nga nila alam kung paano profit margin, break-even point, details na kailangan mo sa negosyo. Kailangan yun eh.
Correct, sir.
Basically, anong ginagawa ni Happy Thursday?
We're doing everything for the clients. We create your logo, your branding, assuming you have a name in mind, and then you tell us, we ask the story of the client. Ano bang story po ng name na to? And then ano po bang particular yung gusto nyong tema ng shop na itatayo natin sa inyo?
So, owner and brand matching.
Yes, owner and brand matching, definitely. And may graphic artist tayo. Our graphic artist will execute the logo. From there po, we need to do the interior design layout of the shop. This is collaborative idea from the client itself. Kasi we're putting a business for you. We have to create something out of your creativity as well. Pero meron ka ng professional help from us.
How about supplies, ops ng negosyo, equipments? Paano yun?
Yes, sir. Kasama din yun.
Ha?
Siyempre, may forma tayo which business they're operating. Meron po kaming mga business category na kaya na namin i-open for client.
What business category?
These are hair salon, nail spa businesses, aesthetic clinic setup, cafe, restaurant, and now resort po.
Kahit wala akong idea pero may puhunan ako,
Pwede itong mangyari. Pwede itong mag-materialize, matupad yung pangarap po natin na negosyo. Actually, in easiest term, bigay mo sa akin yung pera mo, bubuksan kita ng negosyo. Then kami na po yung bahala sa lahat ng sakit ng ulo.
oo nga, no? Kasi syempre, iba may pera, kaso nga lang wala silang idea, walang creativity, wala silang resources or manpower, wala silang team, at higit sa lahat, wala silang oras. Mas okay nga yan, kung mag-i-start na lang ako, di bayad na lang ako sa'yo, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, meeting lang ako, may negosyo na ako.
Yes, sir. Kagandahan kasi nito, this is personalized. Ima-materialize lang namin with our help.
We establish your dream business.
Fulfilling dreams po.
End-to-end solution yung ginagawa
An
ninyo.
end-to-end solution.
Hiring ng staff.
Yes, sir. We also assist in hiring.
So lahat ng sakit ng ulo ko, binili mo.
Totoo.
Parang ganon.
That's what we are working for po.
So ikaw pala ang solusyon nila, Marksy. So kung ayaw nyo mag-franchise, sarili ninyong brand, kay Marksy kayo pumunta.
Totoo, kasi sa franchise, ayaw mo yung obligation na you'll copy from one business to another eh. And you don't want them to be bounded by their rules. Naniniwala ako na hindi ka naman mag-iisip ng negosyo to begin with. Kung hindi ka creative, hindi mo papasukin yun. you'll stay where you are. You'll just do what you're currently doing. Because business owner are risk taker. Business owners are creative. Pero baka, kailangan ng mga tao katulad namin na makatulong sa kanila para ma-squeeze out o ma-execute yung mga plano
Para
nila.
may isasalo lahat ng stress.
Yes, sir. Kasi po, tulong kami, we're an aid, na ma-fulfill yung dream yung negosyo. So, from there, ang trabaho namin is ma-isa out, ma-squeeze out yung creative juices natin, ma-collaborate, and then mas mag-guide.
Bigyan mo ako ng mga reason bakit ko kukunin si Happy Thursday Business Solution as my service provider for my business needs.
We are experts. I myself, I operate those businesses that we offer. Bago ako nag-business solution, I offer trainings for people who want to open cafe. May mga shop pa rin na nag-e-exist dyan. Kaya lang tinamaan tayo ng pandemic 2019. May mga naapektuhan, merong mga nag-boom. Me myself, during pandemic, I was operating 3 shops. Mas lumakas siya nung time ng pandemic. Kasi we're food business po. Nakalaban ako dun sa pandemic, magsasara. No! Kailangan natin gumawa ng paraan para mabuhay. Kasi I cannot risk na nag-open ako ng negosyo and sasara ko siya. I cannot do that. I find sources.
Alam mo, totoo yan. Kasi marami kasing mga tao, kulang na talaga sa pamamaraan eh. Pero ang kagandahan sa Happy Thursday, kung kulang ka sa paraan, meron kaming solusyon dyan. Dahil lahat ng paraan, nasa amin na.
Yun po yung main intention talaga ng company.
So, bukod sa experience, ikaw mismo nag-ooperate ng negosyo. What's the number 2? Bakit ko kukunin si Happy Thursday?
Number 2, siguro kami yung nag-o-offer talaga ng gantong setup na all-in from logo making hanggang mag-operate. Taga-trabahuhin namin po para sa inyo.
And probably number 3.
Sa negosyo po, napaka-importante ng commitment. We will commit mula umpisa hanggang dulo kahit anong mangyari, hindi kami bibitaw. Bubuksan po natin yung business mo.
Currently, ilan na yung mga na-createan ninyo and what's the name of their brands?
Actually, sobrang dami na po. Hindi ako talaga nag-track down until I was interviewed. Doon lang ako nag-track down. I asked my interior designer, we're already doing 200 plus na pala.
Can you name brands na gawa mo na pwede mo i-disclose sa show natin?
Glammarie Beauty, dito lang yan sa Teacher's Village po. It's a 3-in-1 shop. Cafe, hair salon, and then nails pa po siya. And then, Vialay Nail Spa sa Mandaluyong to. It's a 3-in-1 shop din. Harlan Aesthetics in Tondo. Vialay Nail Spa, it's in Mandaluyong. For restaurants, Cafe Revolver in Pasig. Those are cafes. Harley's Cafe in Baleta, Batangas. More on maraming Cali Resort in Cuenca, Batangas. Mas marami yung nagawa naming nail salon. Beauty and the Biz, nail spa. These are all what I can recognize so far.
Ang dami nyo ng client, no?
Sobrang dami, hindi ko na po maalala. Minsan po, pag nagpupunta ako sa isang lugar, doon ko na lang maalalang may ginawa ako doon. Like, I pass by an area.
Ikaw pala yung cheat code ng maraming aspiring business owner kung gusto nila mag-start ng negosyo.
Yes, sir.
Common problem ng mga mag-uumpisang magnegosyo.
Unang-una, finances. Kasi kahit handa ka, may mga emergency na expense na hindi mo ma-anticipate sa simula.
Binibigay nyo na kagad yung total na lahat na magagastos.
Kasi kami, buo po yung package namin eh. Meron kaming mga presyo ng mga packages.
Na yun na yung mismong budget,
Yun
hindi na
na
nila
mismong-
kailangan magdagdag.
Yun yung sa amin. Pero po kung meron kang mga gusto pang additional, syempre we want it extra. I-inform po namin kayo sa additional expense. Kasi I'm a type of owner na gusto ko po, as much as possible, so umpisa pa lang, alam ko na yung gastusan ko.
Bukod sa finance, ano pa yung common problem?
Number 2, tauhan. I'll be honest, wala po pang perfect formula na ganito gawin mo, ito yung best practice, ganito gawin mo, ito yung na-tried namin. Until now, this is the practice that I'm still learning. How could I keep good people? For example, you get a good people, paano ko naman sila i-retain? Anong management style ang gagawin ko para mapanatili ko itong mga tao na
Pero
to?
si Happy Thursday, fortunately, you have support.
I have support. Some business owner don't understand how difficult. Kala nila kasi pag nakita nilang buo na yung shop nila, ang dali naman ng mga ginawa mo. Hindi nila alam yung behind the scene ng team ko for us to prepare everything. Marami kaming pinagdaanan at marami kaming experience na pinuhunan bago kami makabuo ng ganito at marami kaming kinausap na suppliers bago namin buuin yung shop niyo po. Yung furnitures, we have supplier for furnitures kasi we furnish the shop. May suppliers kami for equipments, may suppliers kami para sa supply. We are talking with these people for years bago namin sila i-board sa team namin. Until now, we're still on the process of improving yung pag-handle ng staff para ma-share po namin sa mga business owner din. Yun yung work namin ni Happy Thursday Business Solution. Paano ba maiis yung trabaho ng aspiring business owner? Ano ba yung mga experience na we can share to them para pag sila na, mas madali na nilang ma-manage? Pero it takes a lot of explanation and pangunawa for the client side or for the owner side for them to believe those formulas. Actually, ngayon nga we're doing business services. Government permits correct siya as per category. If you need yun, government permits, that's a lot of headache kasi naniniwala po ako na may mga business owner na okay na nag-ooperate na sila. Let's say they aspire. Sobrang nahirapan pa sila sa pag-secure din ng mga government permits.
Ayan na, so may assistance pa rin kayo. So wala na talaga kayong problemahin kapag ka magtatayo kayo ng negosyo. Sa Happy Thursday Business Solution.
Yes po. Nag-o-offer kami ng mga business packages, all-in business packages setup for cafe, nail salon, for hair salon, for aesthetic clinic, and now po, create your own resort na din. Meron kaming mga iba't ibang packages to offer, starting from as low as 120,000 po hanggang 1.8 million. So may iba-iba po kaming packages to offer depending on ano pong negosyo yung gusto nyong i-open and ano po yung kailangan yung inclusions o kailangan yung services sa amin. So we can also customize packages for you. We can also do 3-in-1 shop, cafe, nail salon, and aesthetic clinic in one, or hair salon and cafe in one, nail, clinic, and cafe in one location po. So lahat yan pwede nating i-offer. Soon po, we'll be launching mga bago pa pong category for businesses. And again, we can customize the business for you. For inquiries, pwede po kayong mag-log sa aming Facebook page. This is Happy Thursday Business Solution. And our number is 0917-920-3638. And then you can also check out on Instagram. So that's HTD Business Solution.
Maraming salamat, Boss Mark Sitan. Alam ko marami nang excited na magtayo ng negosyo dahil sa services na ino-offer ng Happy Thursday Business Solutions. Kaya kung ano pang inaantay ninyo, mga boss. So kung nagnanais kayo magnegosyo, nandito na ang Happy Thursday. Muli, maraming salamat and God bless sa inyo lahat.